ለክቡር ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትራችን ዶክተር አብይ አህመድ ልዩ ሽልማት አዘጋጅተዋል። ይህንን ሽልማት የአቶ ወርቁ ወላጅ እናት ለክቡር ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትራችን ይሰጡልናል። ወይዘሮ አለምዬ ኢማም ወደ መድረክ እንዲመጡ እጠይቃለሁ።
This grand complex is an indication of Ethiopia's journey to prosperity and an example for the rest of investors to come and invest in the country. The first award by His Excellency the Guest of Honor, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, goes to the Deputy Prime Minister, Ato Demeke Mekonnen, Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Affairs of Minister of Ethiopia. The next award goes to His Excellency Ato Temesgen Truna, Director General of National Security Services. WA Investment Group deeply expresses its gratitude for the incredible support given by His Excellency the Guest of Honor, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia.
ይህ ከወርቅና ከአልማዝ የተሰራ ሜዳሊያ 1300 ግራም የሚመዝን ወርቅና አልማዝ ነው። እንግዲህ ጓደኞች፣ ወዳጆች፣ ቤተሰቦች ሲያመሰግኑ፣ ሲሸልሙ፣ ሲሰጡ ደስ ይላል።
This massive necklace
ክቡር ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትራችን ይህንን ሽልማት ለወርቁ ወላጅ እናት ለወይዘሮ አለምዬ ኢማም ሰጥተዋል።
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate award goes to the Guest of Honor, His Excellency Dr. Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, from Ato Worku Aitene. And the award is to be given by the mother of this business tycoon to His Excellency the Prime Minister.